Oh, yes, that's a nice one. Oh, slab. Oh my god, that's a freaking slab. Oh my god. That's a freaking toad, baby. My god. I just caught a slab. Let's see how much this slab is. Oh my god. At least 14 and a half freaking slab. Nice. It's a catfish. It's big. It's fighting, it's big. Ooh, that's a slab right there. Nice slab. And 12 and like 3/4. Ooh, nice one. There's another nice one. Oh my god, freaking slab. Another 12 inch right here. I think they're getting fired up. Yeah, 12 and a half. Nice, nice. I got mine. Nice little crappie. Come back. Yeah, there you go. Small, but we're catching them. It's small, but we're catching some. Maybe. It's so small. Okay, you can fight it. Can you pick it up any higher?
No, it's a dollar.
Oh my god. Oh, careful. Careful. Baby. Careful. Oh my god, that's a white bass, honey. I can't get. Hold on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Baby.
Yeah.
Give me a high five. Oh my god. I've never seen white bass this big in my whole life, baby.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god, this is freaking awesome. Give me a high five. Yo. What the hell? Never in my life I seen big old white bass like this.
Can you measure it?
Yes. Look at that. Baby,
Yeah.
that's almost 18 inch.
Nice.
Oh my god. Oh, nice crappie.
Nice.